Welcome to the 18th day of the 21-day data challenge by Lighthouse Labs. Fair warning, this video contains a solution to today's challenge, so please attempt the problem before continuing on. Reference this video if you get stuck or want to see an alternative way to tackle the problem. And with that said, on to the day 18 challenge. Let's go ahead and load up today's challenge. You can see it's a medium difficulty worth 10 points. In today's challenge, we're going to be analyzing board games to see which ones we should bring over to Dot's neighbors. We're going to be answering two questions. What are the top 5 board game categories in this dataset that are not targeted for young children? And to qualify this, we'll filter out using the age column, where the age is set to 13 or higher. The second question we'll be answering is which categories of board games that are not targeted for young children are the same compared to the top 5 board games categories in the overall dataset. So let's go ahead and tackle the first question. We'll take the data frame and filter it by the age category. We'll check to see if it's greater than or equal to 13. Then, since we want to see the top 5 categories, we'll group it by the categories, and we'll use the function count to tally up the number of times that each category appears. Finally, we'll sort the values by its rank and have it appear in descending order by setting ascending equals to false. We'll use the head method to show only the top 5 results. Let's go ahead and run this. And here we can see the results that answers the first questions. Scrolling down, we see that there are multiple answers that might satisfy this question. So let's go ahead and answer question number 2. We'll be using a very similar analysis, comparing it to this analysis. So let's go ahead and copy and paste that. Question we want to answer is, which category of board games that are not targeted for young children are the same compared to the top 5 board game categories in their overall dataset? So we'll take the data frame, but this time around we won't specify an age filter. Let's go ahead and remove that, and that simply will satisfy our analysis. Let's go ahead and run this, and we can compare the results of the two data frames, the one above answering our first question and the one below answering our second question. We can see that the overlaps are war games, card games, and card game fantasies. Scrolling down, we can identify card game fantasies, war game, and card game. Let's go ahead and select this and submit the answer. And there we have it. I hope you got some value out of this day 18 video of the 21-day data challenge by Lighthouse Labs. I'll be back tomorrow with another video covering the day 19 challenge. See you then.